I need to learn Maya. I've only worked in it for a little while.
Why you need to learn Maya?
I see Maya first on all resume jobs. Other people on the YouTube saying Blender for hobbies. And do not meet for the industry standards.
Oh, then my advice, just ignore it unless it is top 5 companies listed by you. You did your research, know the software which they use, they are multi-million companies, and has long-term perspective to do so, then definitely you can go for it. Otherwise think twice, as a lot of employees or people talk not about the software in general is about your skill set, what you can do or cannot do. Employees love to provide requirements, from which you can clearly see that they cannot understand what they want. They love to ask questions during interview about the weather, let it be. You must understand that a lot of people which is hiring contractors or employees they cannot understand the role, they getting requirements from others, from the person who is working in similar or exact the same role. And the funny thing is starting with low-budget companies in this scenario, imagine then 20 years just graduated person filling requirements for the role. He do not have wide experience in his role, he knows only few tools, few workarounds and from such small pool of experience, he need to write something woohoo and we must not forget, that we are in LinkedIn, it should sound like outstanding position for the chosen one and must have a fancy words. In the end result we can get very demanding senior, pro, master, superman role, with ability to do one-click genius solutions, working on contract permanent basis, for €400 per month. So, if you're struggling with which software to pick, definitely go for the Blender, grow with that software, and you will become industry standard in the near future. What about a dinos like me? We will die with Maya and Maya will die with us. For people who saying that Blender did not succeed, guys you are totally wrong. And what about the link which you have sent to me, flip normals trying to explain their point of view, talking from high-end production perspective and only. And if you will watch it till the end they will say the same thing, it is matter of time. However near future is for Blender, so if you know how to dance with that software, do it, not be worried about stuff like Maya. Better learn 1, and be great on it, than learn 10 and be lame on them. Small budget companies testing this software already, as they tend to hire people with Blender skill set. Tutorials growing, and it is getting investment, and that will be much faster success Blender than was for Maya. Back to that days nobody was sharing info on YouTube as you skill was equal money, remember? So, for the conclusion if you are Blender user, don't go with multiple paths, learn it well. If you are new and trying to learn 3D, try to understand what you want to do, VFX, modeling, sketching, animation, do not know? Then go to Blender.